Esports, it's more than just gaming, it's teamwork, strategy, and passion. At Academy of Art University, our esports program brings students together in a competitive and creative environment. And this is where it all happens. I'm Michael Witzel, the director of esports, and this is the Esports Lounge, where we have top-tier PCs and console systems, all for students to play for free 7 days a week. Students compete in top esports titles such as Valorant and League of Legends. They develop their skills in communication, decision-making, and leadership. Whether they're casual players or aspiring pros, there's a place for them here in our program. Our gamers, they come from all different backgrounds and disciplines: game development, advertising, communications, and even fashion. Let's hear what they have to say.
I really love the competition because I'm a really competitive person.
I just have so much time into games, and being able to show that effort that I have with a team is a lot of fun.
And so it's a way to get my emotions out there and just go at it.
I love the team play, just playing with friends, having fun.
I was in a Valorant esports team. I'm mostly playing with the support role. If my support helps to winning that round or entire game, I'm really happy.
I do work on making games, so that really helps me understand the games better.
To understand what makes a game so satisfying to play for the player.
When me and my team win, that's definitely like the best moments, yeah.
The special abilities that you have, finding ways to use that with your teammates, how to coordinate with them.
When we do some tactics and it works. Especially when it works.
Esports, it's not just playing games, it's production and broadcasting and even the storytelling behind what is happening. If you want to be a part of the action, we offer the Esports Studio class, where you can learn everything from production to live commentary. Our esports events come to life through our talented shoutcasters. They bring energy and excitement. They do play-by-play action for the audience and break down the game to the most basic elements in our own studios.
I really like how you can just go into the lounge and just pick a game and people will always be there to play with you.
Top of the line stuff, no lag, no latency issues.
I feel like I've opened my eyes to a totally new world. I'm excited to see where it takes me.
The esports program at Academy of Art is growing fast. Whether you want to compete, create, or broadcast, this is the place to start. Are you ready to join the game?